Hey, this is Philip again. I want to apologize for all the shenanigans I pulled, and I was drinking the Robitussin hard. I mean, like gallons. And don't ask how I got it all, but it was a lot, and I'm just feeling rough. And I got kicked out of the Fritzville Walmart for dumping on the floor. I don't remember doing it. They said I dumped all over the floor. I guess I had explosive bowel movement. It was all because of the Robitussin. And I just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for doing it. God. Kids, don't drink Robitussin. It's not good for you. God.